Okay, this is a video by Peninsula Floating Floors. It's Oakleaf HD Plus laminate in the Blackbutt. Again, there's over 30 repeats. All the boards have been scanned from real Blackbutt, and it is just an amazing product, so realistic. So quick look, usual transitions between carpet, nice T-molds. We did the stairs as well, custom stair nose. Looks absolutely lovely. We took the skirts off as usual, just smashed those back in, and they've been filled and caulked. Now the T-mould just needs one more coat of paint on the skirts. Now it's all been filled. So in the cupboards, as usual, we re-skirted that with some new skirt, toilet. Do want to take that one out. It didn't look like we had the height to lift it, so and we couldn't take the sink out, so we just left them and siliconed them. Nice scotia in front of the slider. This island's going to be moved in the future, so we did try to undercut it, but it's been impossible to anyway. So as usual, put scotia. The usual beautiful tight miters. Yeah, it's come out really nicely. This was over tiles. Pantry. Did the laundry, trim, scotia. Cupboards, re-skirted all the cupboards, apart from that one, we scotiaed. So yeah, it came out really nicely. So there you have it, Oakleaf HD Plus in the Blackbutt. This product's just something else. The future of flooring. No one can tell the difference between it and engineered oaks or engineered Blackbutts or New South Wales spotted gums, whatever, and it's half the price and twice the durability, or 10 times the durability. Finished the stock with we actually put a L on trim on there just to stop it getting maybe slightly chipped or whatever. So finished with a stair nose. We just cut it to the width of the balustrade. I think doing the stairs is great because you just save all, they're going to, still carpet, they're just going to get worn and dirty and goodness knows what. So yeah, one quick look again. Beautiful Blackbutt for Dan and Ellie, been absolutely great clients, looked after me. So yeah, thanks guys, and enjoy your beautiful new home.